We are a youth and community organisation based at the heart of Swansea. We support young people from the ages of 8 to 25 so that they can really access opportunities and support to ensure that them and their communities can thrive.
We offer young carers the opportunity to have respite from their caring role. So that can come in the form of attending our weekly youth club, attending residentials, being provided with intensive one-to-one support.
So I came in like December 2023 and they were really nice and really friendly. So I kept on coming in and I made more friends. I think it's very nice, and I've been trying to get my brother to come to the YMCA as well because I've had a lovely experience with everyone, so I would like him to have the same, yeah.
And I think Young Carers means a lot to me because it helps me feel like I have a break from my caring role. And when I come here, it's like a breather. And I've met so many people here, I've made so many friends. And the staff are also really lovely. They help you, they support you, and they're like there for you if you need to talk.
Yeah, rwy'n ddod i'r YMCA achos mae'r gwasanaeth yn helpu fi I fod yn diogel, I fod yn confident, I fod yn rhan o cymdeithas ac yn cysylltu fi gyda pobl arall sy'n gallu helpu.
Un o'r gwasanaethau rydyn ni'n cynnig yw'r drop-in centre, lle mae pobl ifanc yn gallu dod, chwarae gemau, siarad gyda ni, gwneud unrhyw beth mae eisiau gwneud.
As much as YMCA Swansea delivers youth work, which is centre-based, we also provide support within the communities, delivering outreach and detached youth work to young people that would be less likely to access our services. Those young people that are very vulnerable are less likely to access our services in city centre, making sure that we are taking the support to them.
I think the most important thing that we do is allow young people to be heard. We listen to what they want. We try and make young people's dreams come true and try and believe in them and make them believe in themselves.